Hi guys! I'm back with another recipe and today we're making homemade longganisa. So mga ingredients natin are as follows. We have some pork. This is 500 grams of ground pork. I have pepper. I have rice wine vinegar. This is what I have right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. You could also use plain white vinegar. I have salt, soy sauce, garlic, onion, and brown sugar. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so para mas mapadali ang ating buhay, ang gagamitin ko para ma-finely chop yung ating onion at saka yung garlic ay yung aking food processor. So as you've noticed, kanina merong isa tayong buong onion, pero since napakalaki, I just cut it in half. So I'm gonna use half of the onion and then 10 cloves of garlic ang ilalagay ko. The more garlic, the better. Okay? So, cover ko lang to and then we'll just turn it on para durog na durog yung ating ingredients. Okay? In here, I have my ground pork. Ito na yung ating dinurog or finely chopped na garlic and onion. Mix them well, okay? Okay guys, sa sobrang excitement ko sa paggawa ng ating longganisa, nakalimutan ko i-mention sa inyo kanina, meron pa pala tayong 2 ingredients na kasama. So, ito yung ating 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This is for color. So, 2 tablespoons. Okay? And then, ito pa, nakalimutan natin ilagay yung breadcrumbs. So, panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna use 1/4 nito. Ito na lang yung ating binding ingredient. Hindi ko nagagamitan ng egg yung ating longganisa. So, we have some pepper. We're gonna add salt. Okay. And then suka or rice wine vinegar. Siguro mga 2 tablespoons lalagay natin. And then 2 tablespoons as well of our soy sauce. Okay? And don't forget ang ating brown sugar. So, ang brown sugar depende na lang sa inyo kung how sweet you want your longganisa, okay? So, for now, try natin 3 tablespoons. That's 3. That should be enough. Ang tip ko sa inyo guys is after mixing them well, mag-init lang kayo ng konting pan. Lagyan nyo ng mantika. And then, kumuha lang kayo ng small piece ng inyong longganisa mixture at saka i-fry nyo para matikman ninyo kung swak na sa panlasa ninyo. Okay, kung swak na, ang gagawin ko dito, hindi ko siya i-form into yung regular longganisa shape natin, which is pahaba. Ang gagawin ko lang dito is parang patty, parang burger. Okay? Pwede din naman syempre yung parang sausage ang shape. Pwede din dulugin or lutuin lang natin as is ito. Okay, so we'll mix this well. Tapos mag-iinit lang tayo ng mantika at sa pan. And then we'll taste this kung okay na. Okay guys, so tinikman na namin, napirito ko na. So we needed a little more salt. Okay? And siguro a tablespoon more of your brown sugar. Pero kung okay na yung tamis sa inyo guys, tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, you fry it first and then you decide kung may kulang ba or hindi. Okay? So ito na yon. And then we'll mix this well again. And then we will start forming this into patties. Okay guys, we're gonna form the patty. Okay? And then we'll refrigerate this para mag-set before we can fry this. Okay? Siguro dun sa 454 grams or 500 grams ng ating pork, makakagawa tayo ng 12 pieces ng ating longganisa. Okay guys, here you go, my Longganisa patties. I hope you give this a try and please let me know what you think. Thank you!